Which handcuffs
Okay,
are the
challenge start.
strongest? Level 1, paper handcuffs.
Man, those are weak.
Level 2, foam handcuffs.
Second layer.
Give me a real challenge.
We got more where those came from. Level 3, cardboard handcuffs.
Man, there's no way he's getting through the last ones.
Level 4, aluminum handcuffs. Yo, he's struggling.
Pass, pass.
Oh, I'm the world's strongest man. Nothing
Six.
can stop me.
Level
Working hard.
5, the world's strongest tape.
Pass.
Come on. Let's go.
Level 6,
Subscribe now.
police grade handcuffs.
This is gonna be impossible.
Just like it's impossible to like and subscribe at the same time.
Like.
3, 2, 1. Oh,
Work.
no way, bro.